G'day guys and welcome back, and today we have another big boy saw in. This is a Solo 635 Mark III automatic. This is an 8.5 horsepower saw, so it is nothing to laugh about, and it is a big hooer at that. It's got this pretty damaged bar cover on, which, there we go, finally got it off. Let's have a look at this chain. That looks like a new chain, and it is still sharp actually. That's really good. Full chisel chain. That's a big plus. That bar, that's in great shape as well. By the looks of it, that is a 22-inch bar. I would gamble to say it might be a 20-inch, but I would guess at 22. So we're going to go through this thing as always. As you'll see, it is filthy, but yeah, we'll go through it, take this air filter cover off, get some fuel in that intake, see if it lights off. I do know it turns over with good compression. See if it lights off, and from there we'll fill the tank up and see what fueling issues we have, and go from there. So yeah, this should be a pretty interesting one. I do really enjoy these this style of Solo. They're just that kind of sweet spot for me kind of thing. But yeah, let's get into it.